Hi there everybody, today we are going to look at volumes of pyramids, okay? So, let's get into it. So the volume of a pyramid is the same for any pyramid, alright? So it's a third times the area of the base, the bottom, times by its perpendicular height. That probably should say it, times by the height, okay? So, this is what a pyramid looks like, alright? And of course it doesn't have to be a square base, it could be any base, but certainly we're talking about the base as being the base of the apex, and obviously the height being a perpendicular height, which it kind of mentions over there. So find the volume of this particular pyramid. So they're quite generous. They've given us the base as a rectangle, and the height, which again is the perpendicular height, and we just need to apply the formula. So the area of a rectangle base is 5 times 4, which is 20, and I'm going to do a third times the 20 and times by the height, and it's going to give me 40 centimeters cubed, and that's the volume of a pyramid. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Okay. Oh, so let's kind of think about the fact that maybe you're not given the perpendicular height. All right. So this is the trickier one. And if you've not done Pythagoras yet, then please look at Pythagoras, because ultimately what we're looking at is trying to do a bit of Pythagoras with the piece of information that's missing. So we don't have the perpendicular height. We have a slope. Okay, a slope length right down the middle. Okay, so what we want is this is where my cursor is. This is from there to there. All right, so that's what I need to kind of figure out. All right, so if you look at what I'm doing, I'm going to cross there and then up. Okay, so the height is going to be this little triangle that I'm trying to figure out. So I've got that distance there, which is 5, and this distance is 4 because it goes from the outside to the center. Okay, so that's going to be a distance of 4 because it's halfway across. And now I'm going to do Pythagoras backwards to try and achieve it. So 5 squared minus 4 squared square rooted will give you the height. So let's write that down, which is going to give me 3. All right, so my height of this pyramid is 3. So now I should be able to apply my formula. It's going to be a third times the area of the base, which is 8/8 is 64. And then I'm going to times it by the height, which I've just found out has been 3. It's going to give me 64 centimeters cubed. All right, so certainly with a question like this one, the idea of not having the perpendicular height makes it an awful lot more difficult in terms of what you need to do, because you need to apply Pythagoras to try to find it. Okay, so please do go to maths-school.co.uk, have a bit of a practice on both those kind of concepts, and of course if you need to kind of come back and look at the video, then you're more than welcome to. Right, thanks for listening.